Is it even worth arguing? Understanding Moot Point. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll delve into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations, debates, and even in movies and TV shows: moot point. So grab a notebook, because you're about to learn how to use this expression to sound like a native English speaker. Let's get started. The term moot point refers to an issue that is subject to debate, dispute, or uncertainty. But there's a twist. It typically means an issue that no longer holds significance or relevance to the current situation. It's something that, even if resolved, wouldn't have any practical impact. For instance, if you're discussing the best strategy to survive a zombie apocalypse, you might say that the availability of running water in the city is a moot point if the city is already overrun by zombies. The phrase, moot point, comes from an Old English practice where a moot was a gathering to discuss matters of local or national importance. Over time, the word moot became associated with the idea of a hypothetical case argued as practice by law students. Thus, a moot point was originally something worth discussing for educational purposes, but now it's more often used to describe something with no practical value or outcome. You can use moot point in a variety of settings. Debates, when the outcome won't be changed regardless of the discussion's result. Meetings, when the topic has been overshadowed by other events or decisions. Casual conversation, when discussing hypothetical situations where the point being argued wouldn't significantly alter the reality. To help you understand how to use moot point, let's look at some examples. Arguing about who would have won if the game hadn't been rained out is a moot point now. Whether I came in first or second is a moot point since the prize is the same for both places. Discussing the plans for a new office layout is a moot point since we're moving to remote work permanently. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, moot point. We hope you found it enlightening and that you'll feel confident using it in your next conversation. Remember, learning such expressions can really add depth to your English skills and help you connect with others more effectively. Keep practicing, and don't let any point become moot in your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.